Benjamin Starrow reports in Politico Power Switch. The shifting winds of the Trump-era energy transition were on full display during Equinor's quarterly earnings call today, October 29, 2025. The Norwegian oil and gas giant said it has finished installing foundations at Empire Wind, a massive offshore wind project off New York that President Donald Trump temporarily halted earlier this year. It also signaled it intends to play a more active role at Ørsted after buying more shares in the troubled Danish offshore wind developer. But even as Equinor said it was sticking with offshore wind, company executives made clear there are limits to their support. Equinor will invest little money in the industry beyond its 3 projects in construction: Empire Wind in the U.S., Dogger Bank off the United Kingdom, and Baltic in Poland. A company official also expressed hesitancy about investing in the power sector more broadly, even as vast amounts of capital pour into the industry to meet the needs of electricity-hungry data centers. Equinor is a large gas producer and recently established a business division to evaluate power sector investments. But unlike its reaction to the green energy bubble 5 years ago, the company's chief financial officer made clear Equinor is not planning to jump headlong into the electricity business anytime soon. Equinor is a key barometer of the energy transition. The Norwegian company was among a wave of European-based oil companies to plunge into renewable energy 5 years ago, only to pull back when the sector failed to generate the kind of profits oil companies are accustomed to. Riten's comments are notable because they come at a time when Wall Street is dumping money into utilities to meet the electricity needs of artificial intelligence. They signal that after being burned by investments in renewable energy over the last 5 years, Equinor is wary of investing in electricity generation, which is a fundamentally different business model than oil and gas production. Equinor, nevertheless, is sticking with offshore wind, unlike fellow European oil majors like BP and Shell.